Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing alright. Just giving you an update on what's going on here lately. Just sitting in Iowa doing custom corn chopping. So got some video clips of stuff of what we've been doing throughout the day. I'll put those all together for you. And just about ready to finish our first field here pretty quick. Okay, this is all that's left. That little chunk right there is all that's left. Little pie. Fit it all in one truck. That's all that's left. So, other than that, we gotta go on to the next field after this before it gets too dark and it's a bearcat to open up. These flies are pesty crap. Anyways, hope you guys like the little clips of what's going on. Enjoy.
Danica, how many trucks do you have?
I have one, almost zero.
Two, Danica.
I'm on the second break.
Remember, don't go in front of the tractor that's pushing the stuff. Try to go the other way or go off the pile.
Bet you've never seen something like this before. For remote control.